Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to your English lesson for today. Now in today's lesson you are going to be learning about do and does. You are going to learn how to put the word do and does into a sentence. These are your key words or your key vocabulary for today's lesson. They are do, does, they, he, you, and I. Now I am going to repeat these words and I want you to say them with me, please. Do, does, they, he, you, and I. Amazing work. Good job. At the end of today's lesson, you are going to identify where the word do and does should be placed in a sentence. So I am going to give you the word do and I am going to give you the word does, and you are going to place it in the sentence. So today we are learning do and does. Here is a writing tip. We use the word does for he, she, it. And we use do for I, you, we, or they. For example, if I have a sentence, he go to school. Now I have the word he, so I will use does. He does go to school. If I have one of these words, so for example, we play at home. So we do play at home. The word do will be used if I have I, you, we, or they in a sentence. The word does will be used if I have the word he, she, or it in a sentence. Now before we continue, learners, I would like to remind you that there are optional activity sheets that you can complete, there are games that you can play, and there are videos that you can watch. But remember, they are all for educational purposes. And at the end of the lesson, I would like you to please complete the assessment so that I can see how much you understand from today's lesson. Now, these are the rules. This will help you understand when to use the word do or when to use the word does. Okay, so for example, if I have I, you, we, or they, I will use the words do. If I have he, she, or it, I will use the word does. I. For I, what will I use? Now you can always go back and you can look at the table. So I goes with do. So what am I going to write? Amazing! I do. Good job. Now you. What will you write? Will I write do or will I write does? Amazing! Good job. You do. So for the word you, I will have do. Now the next one, they. Amazing. Whenever I have the word they in a sentence, I will use do. Amazing work. Good job. Now we. What will I use for we? Amazing. Outstanding work, my love. We do. Good job. Now he. Remember he, she, or it. What will I use in that sentence? Do or does? Great work. He does. Good job. Now she. For the word she, what will I use? Do or does? Amazing. She does. Good job. You're doing amazing. Now for it. Look at how big this pencil is. What will I use? It does. So a sentence could be, it does look big. If I have it, I have to use the word does. Amazing work. Now, this is a sentence about a lion. It and bite. There is a word missing in between. So will I use do or will I use does? It bite. I have it, so which one will I use? Amazing. It does bite. Good job. So that is the one that's going to be left. It does bite. Now I have snakes. They hiss. What is my answer? Do or does? Do or does? They. Amazing, because I have the word they. The answer is going to be do. They do hiss. Amazing work. Good job. Now learners, that brings us to the end of the lesson. I hope you understand when you need to use the word do and when you need to use the word does. I'm so proud of you, and please don't forget, you need to pause the video, go back to the PowerPoint and complete today's assessment so that I can see how much you understand from today's lesson. I will see you all in the next lesson, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.